Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this awesome Mewtwo and Mew box tag team right here. This did get this at Walmart, and guess what guys, this was only 10 bucks. So it comes with this awesome promo, which itself is already about 20 bucks. Pretty good deal. And it comes with 4 booster packs, which I know for sure one of them is evolutions. So here are the 3 tins. So you can get the Mewtwo one, I don't know, I forgot his name, Garchomp, Lucario, and Melmetal. So not a bad one. So I think it comes with 2 unified minds, a Sun and Moon base maybe, and evolutions. But let's open it up and find out. Alright, so I think this is a box from, let me see if I can see a date, 2019. So this was from 2 years ago. And I've seen a couple people post that they've seen them at Walmart, so that's a good sign. Luckily, the one that I had, the Walmart that I went to, my local one, had the Mewtwo one, which is the one that I really wanted. If I could get another one, I would probably get the Lucario Melmetal, because I just think Lucario looks awesome. So here are the contents of the box. Let me bring everything out so you guys can get a better look. Alright, so here is the Mewtwo with Mew. Pretty good condition actually. The borders look centered. Let me see, let me pop this out. And here's a card code for you guys. Oops. Here it is. There's a little textured card here. Beautiful artwork. So Mew and Mewtwo, two of my favorite Pokemon. And yeah, it's pretty damn cute actually. So the centering, like I said, looks great on this. On the back too, let me see. This is a beautiful card. Nice. I like this. Okay. Pretty much this is worth it itself, because like I said, at my Walmart it was 10 bucks. I don't know if that's going to be the case for everybody else, hopefully, but this is a good deal. So let me get into the packs. Oh, we do. Oh, okay, so we have this heavy GX tag team. Wow, this is beautiful. 2019 Pokemon. Wow, this is cool. It's actually pretty big. I don't know if these are the same ones that come in the ETBs for not Shining Fates, Hidden Fates. I'll have to get my hands on one and open them for you guys so you can see. But yeah, it's a bigger one, and 4 packs, like I said. So a Cosmic Eclipse Sun and Moon, a Lost Thunder Sun and Moon, a Celestial Storm Sun and Moon, and an Evil pack. So not evil, evolutions. There we go. So Cosmic Eclipse, let's open this baby up. For some reason it feels a little heavy, so hopefully that's a good sign. Let's see what the Pokemon gods have in store for us. And to be honest, I'm already happy with this, just because of this card. This itself is worth double the whole 10, so I'm happy with it. Here's a code for you guys. Your card trick, a Metal Energy, Lily's Full Force, Ends Resolve, For some reason, these cards feel a little thicker. I don't know if that's the case for all Cosmic Eclipse, but we'll see. Larvesta, Alolan Sandshrew again. Weird. Snorunt, Coughing, Drillbur, Swirlix, a Sandygast reverse, and okay. Hollow Rare Gallade, or Galad. I think it's Gallade. Yeah. This is cool. It's a great card, great centering. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it as my first Hollow Rare of the pack. Sun and Moon, Lost in Thunder. Cool little Lugia pack there. Let's see what this one brings. Code. Fill card. Fighting Energy. Electrobus. Caitlyon. Netball. Onyx. Immortal. Mareep. A Wurmple. Jigglypuff. Reverse Kevin Durant. And a Donovan Rare. Not too bad. I think I already pulled this one before. Next up, a Celestial Storm. I think I would love to get a Rayquaza from any of these, but we'll see if we are that lucky today. Our card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see what we get. So Psychic Energy, a Combusken, sweet, Minim, a Copycat, Sneasel, Shuppet, Mudkip, Beldum, a Wailmer, Chinchou, reverse, and a Regis, something like that. Cool. Now we have our Evolutions pack. Can we end on a strong note? Let's see. Alright, so at the top we see a... Ooh, we're not going to get anything for sure. We already know that. 2, 3. A Charmeleon, Kakuna, Coughing, Voltorb, Tangela, Poliwag, Seal, Magikarp, a Machoke reverse, and a Dewong rare. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing for this. Again, I was going to show you. So we did pull a Sandygast, a Machoke, Chinchou, a Durant, and of course our Hollow Rare Gallade, and our promo card. So we didn't get amazing pulls at all, but let me tell you, those are pretty good packs. So Evolutions, of course, it's always fun to open an Evolutions pack. We have a Celestial Storm, kind of weak, a Cosmic Eclipse, one of the better Sun and Moons, and Lost Thunder, pretty bad. So I guess from the 4 packs, 2 are good. But to be honest, like I said, if these are 10 bucks, so might as well check your local Walmart, see if they have them. This card itself is 20 bucks. So you're going to get your money's worth just with this, which is a pretty good thing, to be honest. and overall, I'm happy with it. So again, pretty good deal, guys. And you guys know the drill. These are all for the giveaway. So please comment, spread the word, tell your friends, you know, they want some Pokemon cards. This is probably the only channel that does them this frequent. And yeah, I send people like 10 cards, maybe 20 if I'm feeling super generous. But yeah, make sure you guys go and subscribe and give me a thumbs up and stay safe, guys. Bye.